It is a entirely new concept. When I was thinking, what is that servant and then the leadership come together? What is that? I mean, it was like quite exciting to know more about this. And when I knew the base of it yesterday with the framework, it is really a new topic, which is definitely gonna help me with my leadership that I'm gonna apply in my work.
Wonderful.
Yes, it is. I think we have already embraced and implemented in our culture, UST work culture. After realizing what is servant leadership, I can understand the leaders who is already attended or implementing, and I have seen that. So I can correlate after knowing it. And when you say, profit-based organization, the servant leaders are not only people centered, they are also people friendly, so we can get things done if we are servant leaders. As of course I would 200% recommend whoever is aspiring to be a leader and whoever is still in a team member state, like to be attending this servant leadership. They will be learning the new framework altogether, which is very friendly, which is very realistic, and which anyone can do it and implement not only in their professional life but also in the personal front. So I strongly recommend to everyone that I'm gonna meet. Yes, that's my take.